Another day, another story. 8. Create a blog. Blogging is one of the oldest online money-making methods. People who enjoy writing tend to start blogs with a specific niche in mind. A blog about procrastination, cars, dropshipping, toys, and so on, for example, is often narrow enough to build a loyal following while also being broad enough to cover a lot of ground. You can start a blog on a variety of platforms, including Shopify, remove the checkout feature to avoid paying a subscription as you build it, and WordPress. Focus on very specific keywords with a tight focus when you first start your blog, and then expand into other but still relevant categories as you grow and dominate new spaces. This will allow you to gradually build a massive blog. Keep in mind that design is essential for making a good first impression on visitors. Here are 20 blog design ideas to help you get started. There are numerous ways to earn money by blogging. You can include affiliate links in your posts, be sure to include a disclaimer. You can monetize your blog by strategically placing advertisements in your posts. Sponsored posts are a popular way for review bloggers to earn money from specific brands. Bloggers' websites can also be used to sell digital or physical products. You can also use a blog to develop a personal brand that will help you land speaking engagements, television deals, or large client contracts. Make money blogging online. 9. Consider freelance work. The most straightforward way to make money online is to take your current 9-to-5 job and do it online instead. For example, if you're a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, or developer, you can market your skills and find clients willing to pay you to use them online. There is also an endless list of job platforms for each type of freelancer. Freelance writers, for example, can apply for jobs not only on specific online writing job boards, but also on general freelance websites such as Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and others. If you discover that your skills cannot be used directly to generate income, you can try monetizing other transferable skills you may have. To make money online as a freelancer, you must first build a strong portfolio. To begin, this may imply doing some free work with some reputable mid-tier brands. Once you've built a solid portfolio, you can approach potential large clients to earn more money online. Remember that freelancing is a numbers game. The more personalized your emails and applications, the more likely you will receive a response. 10. Make an app. If you're not a developer, you're probably feeling a little stuck when it comes to this money-making idea. However, you can hire someone with programming skills to create an app for you. Toptal will connect you with a plethora of app developers who are eager to collaborate with entrepreneurs to make their vision a reality. All you need to do is come up with a unique app idea, identify your target audience, and create a brand image for your product. The programmer you hire will handle the development side of things. When it comes to monetizing your app, adding it to Google Play and the App Store is your best bet. And, contrary to popular belief, having a free app can help you make more money than having a paid app. You can make money by adding ads or premium features to a free app. Because the free app will attract a larger number of users, it will be easier to upsell them. Apps that make money. 11. Develop your writing skills. With a growing interest in content marketing, an increasing number of businesses are looking for writers to fill their web properties with high-quality content. Focusing on a specific niche is the key to success as a writer. Many writers strive to be generalists, writing in a variety of genres ranging from food to technology. However, as a writer, having a niche focus sets you apart and makes it easier to attract clients in your target market. When you have niche experience, you can add a unique perspective to a piece of content. That means you're not simply repeating what every other writer on the internet is saying. And that's exactly what brands want to pay for: your thoughts, experiences, and insider knowledge of a niche. Send relevant samples to the recruiter when applying for writing jobs. If someone requests a marketing writing sample, provide one. Please do not send a financial article. Or perhaps a fitness one. If a hiring manager can't see a relevant sample, they won't know how well you understand the niche's industry. Apply for positions that match your skills and experience. Online money-making ideas. You can find writing jobs to make money online on the websites listed below. ProBlogger, Craigslist, ProBlogger, writing for a living. The Media Bistro. Jobs with variable hours. Work as a freelance blogger. 12. Perform side jobs. Side hustles can help you earn money online while maintaining your full-time job. This is a fantastic way to earn an extra couple $100s per month. The work does not always last, but it can. Use platforms such as Fiverr to find online part-time jobs. As a newcomer to the gig economy, you should prioritize offering a low price so you can get your first review. I'd suggest asking a friend to purchase your gig and leave your first review so you can get started faster. Treat your friend as a client, and deliver a finished product that you can include in your portfolio. The thing about Fiverr is that it's a numbers game as well. When you look at the top Fiverr users, you'll notice that they have a variety of gigs available. The more gigs you have, the more likely it is that you will be discovered. Make money on Fiverr. If you don't want to be paid Fiverr prices, you can look for side gigs on sites like Flex Jobs. You can look for contract or telecommute opportunities in its jobs section. The great thing about Flex Jobs telecommute opportunities is that you can apply for them from anywhere in the world. Writing, business, design, accounting, and other side gigs are available on Flex Jobs. If your skills don't match anything else on this list of money-making ideas, you might want to try a Flex Jobs side gig. Applying to multiple positions increases your chances of landing a few gigs in a short period of time. 13. Perform translation work. Translation is a relatively underserved niche, which means it has less competition than other niche markets. To take advantage of the opportunity, you must be fluent in at least 2 languages. If you're bilingual or studied a popular language in school, this could be a great money-making opportunity for you. You will be required to demonstrate your ability to translate. Make a point of emphasizing your language degree or experience translating text in your portfolio or resume. Most companies will require a translation test, and you cannot use translation tools to help you pass the test at any time. Earn money by translating. Sites where you can find online translation jobs include Upwork, Persons Per Hour, Gango, Professional Translation, Base of Translators. 14. Sell your items. Selling items you no longer use is an easy way to make extra money. When employing this strategy, make certain that the items you put up for sale are valuable to today's buyers. Most people immediately consider selling their unwanted items, such as old CDs and DVDs. However, most people are unwilling to purchase such items. Is it really 2022 that you're going to buy a CD? Most likely not. Don't waste your time attempting to sell it. When considering selling your belongings, concentrate on electronics, furniture, toys, and crafts. The same products can be listed on multiple platforms, including Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, and your own online store. Multi-channel selling increases your chances of finding customers for your products. Do you want to make a good first impression on your customer? Include high-quality images of your products in your listings. You can hire a Shopify expert to create product photos for you, or you can take a photography course to learn how to shoot and edit your own images. Sell your old items on the internet. 15. Become a virtual tutor. Consider becoming an online tutor if you want to make money online on your own time. Studonomics published a story about a tutor who earned $2,100 in one semester. Surprisingly, he grew his clientele through word of mouth, visibility, and low group rates. If you have a teaching degree, you may be more likely to find work as a tutor. A language degree or experience is required for this type of job. If you've given a talk on the subject at a conference or event, you might be considered for an online tutoring, teaching, or mentoring position. While sciences and math are frequently in high demand for tutoring positions, English is also popular among international audiences. If you are an expert in a particular subject, tutoring may be the best way for you to make money quickly. Tutoring for a living. Online tutoring jobs can be found on platforms such as Educate Me, Chegg Tutoring, Tutor.com, Yup, Cambly.